My car battery's dead, but we're still. I couldn't bring my Hellcat here, but it's all good. Still gonna be a vibe to see some cars and stuff. Dude, so freaking clean. Dude, GT3 RS is something else, bro.
I'm not the biggest sports guy.
I'm not either, but it's because the prices is so expensive, bro. You know much, dude, you know how much GT3 RS costs? Like 400K.
Yeah, at minimum.
But that GT2.
Dude, that looks so nice from behind.
What? Oh, the Ford? The Ford, the GT?
Yeah.
I know, it looks so clean, looks so aggressive.
It could be a Transformers car.
For real.
Wow.
Dude, the GT2 RS is nasty, bro. Bro, every time I come here, it's like, I just want to be able to experience it, bro. But honestly, out of all these cars, bro, I'm loving this M8. M8 is hella aggressive. You know, the only issue I got with these cars, bro, is just how expensive they are. They're so marked up, it's unreal. It's like almost not even worth it. That Porsche is so nasty. That thing's straight pipe for sure. Dang, you hear the turbos on that thing? GT2 RS? Dude, it looks so freaking nasty. There's so many freaking cars here, it's unreal, dude. There's hella Porsches though, dude. Like, people just got way too much money, dude. It's crazy. So pretty much, I got a new battery. Before, I was starting this thing with a jump starter, and every time I would disconnect the jump starter, the car would just die. I have no freaking clue why. So now I put a new battery in, and I was able to check if it's the alternator with my multimeter. If it has 14 volts when the car is on, it means the alternator is good. If it's just like staying at 12, it means it's running off the battery. I actually unplugged it while the car was on, and it was still running. So definitely weird freaking issue. I've been to the dealership a couple times, but this is freaking weird. Dude, I don't know what the frick is going on in my car, bro, but pretty much when I would jump start the car, and when I unplugged the jump starter, my car would just die. And I thought it was the alternator for a second. I was like freaking out, dude, because I'm like, dude, I'm gonna be at the dealership for a freaking minute repairing this freaking car. But thank God we're chilling. Freaking taking it on a test drive right now. It's freaking, how do we know, dude? I was getting so irritated by it because it was making no sense. Fudge, dude, I freaking love this catless. Freaking love this catless freaking pipes. Holy, yeah, this is freaking obnoxiously out loud. But it's just for YouTube. It's not like I'm driving like 24/7 like this, so we're chilling, we're chilling. I'm trying to pop right now. Sheesh. Oh my gosh. Dude, the supercharger whine, bro, I don't care what anyone's gotta say, bro. That thing's sexy. I don't care if you're freaking faster than me, bro. The whine, I freaking love it. I love turbos too, but bro, the whine is also freaking sexy. Yeah, baby. Let's go. I freaking love this thing. Frick, dude. That whine is so sexy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. But pretty much, boys, I don't know what the frick happened. I'm surprised that the battery fixed it because I've been using this jumper cable to jump the car. And ever since I came back from Germany, it's been like really tripping out. And long story short, every time I jump it and I unplug it, the car would just die. So I thought it was the alternator because usually that's what it does. I replaced the battery, checked voltage, and you can definitely, usually it's the alternator. Like every single video I'm watching, everyone's saying it's the alternator, which is a bad thing for me because it's gonna take like freaking weeks for them to repair. But I've seen this car 2 times to the dealership, dude, and they didn't freaking fix it. But pretty much I took this car 2 times to the dealership, and I don't know why they keep telling me the battery's good, but it kept freaking dying, you know? Like, who cares if your whatever test you're doing is working, or whatever test you're doing, test the battery, because clearly it doesn't work. Because officially the battery's dead. Like, it's dead, bro. Like, it's murdered. Like, it has absolutely no life left. And it's a fairly new battery too. Dude, this is why I recommend always getting warranty. That was a sus turn. That's why I always recommend getting warranty on these freaking cars, because something always goes freaking wrong, dude. It's so annoying. What the fudge? Sheesh, bro. Whoa. Why am I... It's like going to... Dude, my alignment's effed up. What the frick? Sheesh, bro. I think this new battery make this car freaking faster or something. Downshifts are horrible because my freaking screen's tripping. Every time you disconnect the battery, it does that. I don't know why. I wish I recorded me trying to jump the car, dude. I was just freaking out because it wasn't working properly. I was just like, dude, I'm just trying to fix this freaking car. I thought I wouldn't even be able to record. I was like, that's how worried I was, dude. That whine is so sexy, dude. I can't get over it. I can't freaking get over it. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like, just keep working hard, keep working, keep just pursuing things. Like, you always will have time to buy cars, and let's say you can't buy a Hellcat, you can buy a Hellcat engine someday, and even if it's a busted engine, just freaking repair everything. You get it rebuilt and everything, dude. There's always gonna be opportunity, bro. Let's just keep hustling for the next 5-10 years. Keep busting your butt, keep trying to learn. Like right now, I got this car just because I tried many things, lost money many different ways, trying to do other businesses, and it made me kind of realize, like, I need to enjoy my life right now and, like, have money on the side to just kind of waste for now, but also have money to invest. Because if you just focus only on investing, like, losing is part of the game, you know, to any business. But I really want to enjoy my life before I just kept losing money, or, you know, just you gotta enjoy a little bit, you know. There needs to be balance, and that's why I went for it. I'm able to afford this car decently, but it took me a couple, 2 years of grinding. I could have bought this car a long time ago, but I didn't, because I was trying to make more money other ways. But right now, recently, I've been doing really good on my side business. So we'll see what happens. Dude, this 800 horse, bro. I don't care what anyone's got to say about slow. This freaking horsepower, you can feel it. You can feel every single horsepower. It's amazing, bro. Freaking amazing. And I know I'm not even topping out, bro. This car is made to go over 200. Like, just imagine. Sheesh, bro. Sheesh. But another thing I gotta say, bro, is I love this neighborhood. I love, like, the cops here are really chill, man. And, you know, my goal is to always go the speed limit, you know, like in between, because I know there's like a 10 limit or 10 mile per hour tolerance. So I'm always trying to respect the limit, just because I respect the cops here. But this car has so much horse, bro. I gotta gas it a little bit, you know what I mean? Like, for this car's limit, bro, we're barely touching like 20%. 20 freaking percent. This car is literally made to go over 200, 220, bro. 220, like, what the frick is that, dude? Downshifts are kind of, like I said, downshifts are bad because I don't have the original screen. It comes back after a couple times of me starting it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna close the back windows. Check this out. You can hear the whine now. The valves are still open. You know, obviously the whine's not as loud as before, but I like hearing both, bro. Hearing both is just where it's at, bro. Dude, that whine. Oh, dude. I hope someday you guys can experience it. If I were you guys, I wouldn't buy this car to experience it. I recommend like renting it out for a week, because after a week, guys, you'll see, you'll get used to it. It's just like anything, bro. You get used to it eventually, but experiencing it is freaking awesome. I definitely recommend trying to experience it in some way. Jeez, that wine is so beautiful. It winds louder in higher gears. Listen to this. 5th gear. When I'm next to these trees, the whine is louder. Probably because there's a wall, but these trees, like, I don't know why, next to this freaking wall. Just check this out, dude. It's so freaking loud. I can't get over it. This street's freaking perfect. Sheesh, I only hear the freaking exhaust right now. I'm gonna close the back windows. Sexy freaking wine. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.